I sat down this week to write a blog about sales management advice, and then I found I couldn't do it because it seemed rather trite in the wake of the continuing aftermath of Hurricane Harvey. Instead, what I'd like to do is encourage all of us in the sales community to think about how we can help our southern neighbors. You know, I have the privilege of working with some of the best salespeople in the world, and I have found these people are smart, generous, caring, energetic. So let's figure out a way to channel all those attributes in helping out the victims. Now, there's several ways we can all help. Number one, share your commission check. You know, two of my favorite phrases are, it's better to give than receive, and to whom much is given, much is expected. Number two, clean out your closet. You know what I'm talking about, that pair of pants that never did fit, you never did like, and you haven't worn in the last couple years. I guarantee you the victims of Hurricane Harvey will appreciate your hand-me-downs, and in fact, they will look at them as treasured hand-me-ups. And number third, you be the instigator of action. Don't wait for your CEO, CFO, COO to figure out a plan of action to help out these victims. Instead, you start the conversation. Now, I'd like to say that I started the conversation here at Sales Leadership, but I didn't. I've had a crazy busy 2 weeks. I've been running meetings, conversations, executing on projects, being important, and I lost sight of what was important. But Julie Points, our sales development manager, was our instigator. She started the conversation on what can we do here at Sales Leadership, reminding us of what's important. So at Sales Leadership, we're going to be doing a couple of things. Number one, we're going to be writing checks, and number two, we're going to be cleaning out closets. So my question to you is, what will you and your sales department do to hit the sales quota and the give quota? We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Colleen Stanley, President of Sales Leadership.